So yeah, we'll give you a quick scoot around the room, I guess, before we've already turned into junks. We've got like 5 bags we've just chucked everywhere, but you know, whatever, now it's chucking paper everywhere. Right, so we'll start, obviously we've got the back of the door, you've got your information, what deck you're on, your escape things, where your muster station is, we're deck 4, we saw that, we've already been and done all of that, which was quite easy today. Got your room steward's information on the wall, so if you need to contact them, obviously contact reception, but you know who you're asking for, your room steward is. There we go. The bathroom's quite nice, so a little bit all in one. You know, reasonable shower curtain, obviously it's all like a bit of a wet room anyway. Quite a lot of these little storage things to drop all your stuff into as well, which is good. We'll do that shortly when we unpack. I have a bunch of wardrobes with our life jackets in. We didn't take these down, the long story, which we'll get to in a bit. But yeah, quite a lot of coat hangers in there. I guess this is more of the same. There's like 3 identical things, I guess. Yeah, I've just got the laundry information in. We've got a bit of a workstation, a couple of plugs. I think everything's going to be European plugs, isn't it? This has a hairdryer sign on there, babe. You've got a hairdryer?
Oh, that's not in the bathroom. Oh, you have to put the button down.
Yeah, you do. They can't have you leaving it on in a drawer, can they, I suppose? Some drawers.
I bet that's the minibar.
I bet that's the minibar. Oh yeah, there's a bit of room in there though, so we can get like bottled water we pick up in there and stuff. And there's some sweets, the minibar extension. Look at that, you can't have them looking at you all the time, right? Cola bars and some biscuits. This is a bit mean, isn't it? Safe. So we'll probably use that and we'll drop all our passports and stuff in, I guess. Is that just some more storage? Is it next to you?
Loads of storage. Massive sofa.
Yeah, we've got a massive sofa. We're saying I think this probably folds out. I bet it's a bed because there's 3 life jackets in the cupboard. So I bet that is a fold out bed, and I bet that's some drawers with some bedding in maybe. Or...
No, that'll pull out.
Oh, okay. Not going to do that because I'm going to put it away again. Bedside lights. Oh, there is USBs. That's cool. 4. That's quite nice because we've done our usual trick of having an extension lead and a European adapter. That's because we've got camera batteries and things and phones and whatever else. They're really useful. Nice big bed. I think it's king size. Another pillow wouldn't hurt my feelings, but I guess we'll figure that out. We might be able to get us one of them. Who knows? And then we have a balcony. So let's go and see. Does it come this way or that way? It goes that way. Ooh, step. And then we've got a couple of chairs. You're allowed to smoke out here then?
Yeah, you're allowed to smoke on the balcony.
Oh, that's interesting. So yeah, we've just got a couple of chairs, a little bit of outside space. And then Valencia Port and people boarding.